Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Alan Gadgets. Today we'll be going through the step on how to register your drone with the Taiwan Aviation Authority. This is by far the most unfriendly and weird process that I have been through in all my registration experience, and this is based on 2 points that I will be explained later in the video. Number one is that they don't actually verify your verification and they do not give you a verification number. Secondly, they do not allow online payment, which is going to be an issue for most traveler traveling to Taiwan. The registration fee is 500 NT for each submission regardless of the number of drones that you have in it. I'll explain them in more detail while we go through the step-by-step guide on how to register the drone. Okay, quick pause. If you're enjoying this breakdown and it's helping you out, go ahead and smash the like button. It really supports the channel. And if you want to see more drones, camera and gadget content just like this, make sure you hit subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a new upload. I also post extra clips, behind the scenes shots and some extra updates on Instagram, so do make sure you follow me there as well. Alright, let's jump right back in. In this guide, I will be signing up myself as a foreigner, as I would think that most of you will be if you will be traveling to Taiwan as a tourist. So first of all, at the website, we need to head over to the foreigner area. If you follow my video on other registration that I had with other countries, every one of them will give you their own QR code, identification number, registration number, whatever you call it, all have their unique number to their own country's aviation authority. But in Taiwan case, they are not going to do that. They will need you to register with someone else, show the proof of that registration with that someone else. At the end of the day, you'll be using that registration number that you registered with that other country. So the Taiwan authority themselves will not provide you with their own unique registration number. They will make use of the one that you provide them as a proof of registration from the other country. Bottom line is you will need to be registered with any other country first before you can register with Taiwan. I have already registered with multiple countries like Singapore, Hong Kong, China, Japan. I just need to pull up any of the registration with any of this country to show that they are registered, and I can use this to register with Taiwan. So in my case, I used my Japan registration to proceed with this. What I did was to screenshot all the registration from the Japan website and compile them into one PDF so that I can submit on the Taiwan registration website. After you have submit everything at the point where you need to pay for the 500 NT, you can't do it online. You will need to go to either 7-Eleven or the Bank of Taiwan to do the payment over the counter. I had a friend who is a Taiwan citizen that helped me with the payment. So if you do not know anyone over there that could help you do the payment first, you will need to do it in Taiwan, and it might take up to 1 to 3 days for the payment to be received and confirmed. If you arrive in Taiwan on a weekday, you might be able to do your payment on the same day and then hopefully shorten the wait. If you arrive anytime from after office hour on a Friday to Sunday, you might have a delay of 2 to 3 days more, so please plan for it. After you have received the email that your registration have gone through, all you need to do is make sure that the registration that you had with that other country is labeled on your drone. So that's it for the registration in Taiwan. It's fairly simple, it's quite straightforward, they don't ask for too much things. The only two issue is that you need to have a registration somewhere else before you can proceed, and the payment is a pain in the butt because you need to do it locally in Taiwan. This is the official map from Taiwan Aviation Authority on where you can fly your drone. If you find this video interesting or beneficial in any way, do click on the like button and share. If you haven't already and interested in all contents on drone cameras and gadgets, do click on the subscribe button, ring the bell, and I will see you again in next one. Bye!